Scott Butwin Promotions and Embroidery. Here to show you the steps of going through embroidering a shirt. First we have to take the shirt and what we call hooping it, which gives us a nice flat surface, allowing the needle to go in and a good surface to work on. And so here's that first step, putting the hoop on, and we have to use a process, use backing, which keeps the garment from puckering up. Nobody likes it. We'd prefer if we didn't have to use it, but it's got to be there. But the first washing, it feels as soft as cotton, you can't even tell. We take the shirt, get it all lined up with the pocket. There's a nice flat surface, easy to work on, so it's easy for embroidery. And once the shirt is properly hooped, it's now going to go on the machine. First we'll turn on the machine, power on, and the machine has to set itself for a second, making those fun noises. Now it's going to do its fields. And at this point we're able to pick whatever designs that are already preloaded in the machine. Showing the different logos. And right now we are working on this logo right here. So we're going to get the machine all set and ready to go, and that just means turning on one or two things. Okay, now we bring the design or the shirt over, and we set it up, it slides right in. And you just have to make sure that the garment is pulled out so you do not sew it down. And this newer machines have a wonderful feature. You can put the needle down to see your sewing field so you do not hit frames. And this will go around the field. And once you're set, you're then able to start the embroidery. But actually I want to fill up the rest of the machine before we do that. Now this is a 6-head embroidery machine, but at this point we only need 4 more shirts. So what you do is you disengage a couple of the sewing fields just by flipping a switch here. That will disengage it, so the other 4 will run and these 2 will not. But when I need 6, we do all 6 at once. Now that everything is set, we go to hitting the start button, which will get everything going. If and when there's a challenge, all machines will stop and a red light will flash where it's a challenge. Here's a computerized part of the machine showing how the machine is running. There's a little thing here showing the first color change. It has to go to this far before it will change colors. Here it shows the 710 means it's going 710 rotations. The needle's going in the garment that many times in a minute. Right underneath you can see it's counting up. And that's just how it goes. This design now shows 21 minutes left to run for this design. And here the machine is still doing its first color. In case there's any type of challenge, like a broken thread or the bobbin running out, the machine will stop all heads, and there will be a flashing light on the one head that is not running, where it's a broken thread or a run-out bobbin, allowing me to go and fix that, and all others stop at the exact same spot. Here the machine is about to change colors. It trims the thread and automatically goes to the next color programmed in the sequence. At this point, the machine is continuing to work away. The design is 15,000 stitches, where you have like 1,000 stitches left to go, leaving about a little over about a minute and a half. And it's just finishing up here, doing embroidery on top of other embroidery. And once the machine is done, we just pop it off here by lifting up over the little notch and sliding it out. Then we take the shirt, pop off the hoop. We have a shirt that's almost done. All we got left is to take off the little backing. Give it a little cut here. There it is, shirt ready to go.